Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you have never stopped by before, hello there, I am Amanda. Please consider subscribing, and if you are already a long-term subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you on another purchase that I made from Fashionphile. I am obsessed with Fashionphile, as you could probably tell, because like a lot of my unboxings, reveals, whatnots are from Fashionphile, but that is just because I get such good deals from them. Now, a lot of times they do mark up their prices like a lot, but as long as you know how to track the item that you're interested in and know what the standard going rate for that pre-loved item should be, you are definitely able to end up making a savvy purchase from them. So with that being said, let's get started and get into what I bought. So I didn't want to bore you with opening the box and all of the floofiness, so I'm just going to get straight into the item itself, and that is a mini. It's another mini, but this one is the Crumpled Calfskin and So Black hardware, and I have been trying to track one of these down for ages. I have actually seen a bunch of the larger, like the medium larges and the jumbos for sale, but those are usually over retail just because this combination is so highly sought after. The Crumpled Calfskin is so gorgeous and unique, and then you compare that with the So Black hardware, and it is just a match made in heaven. And I think this is so pretty, gorgeous, stunning, all of those describing words that make this bag beautiful. So getting her out and all pretty. So she does have the long crossbody enabled chain. Again, So Black, obviously it's going to match the bag. The Fashionphile tag here. The back, she has the standard pocket. And then on the inside, just the nice roomy interior. Not super huge, but for a mini bag, it does pack a punch. Now, being so black, these are difficult to track down, and then when you do, like I said earlier, they are very expensive. So the Crumpled Calfskin and even the Caviar bags kind of go hand in hand as far as the retail or pre-loved price for the mini bags, because Caviar minis are really difficult to find, and then the Crumpled Calfskin in general is also difficult to find. So typically for a Caviar or a Crumpled Calfskin mini in really, really good condition, you're going to be paying over $4,000. Retail price currently is $3,500. When they were on sale in the store though, they were only $3,300. So if you had purchased one at $3,300 and you didn't really use it, you could resell it and most likely make almost $1,000. That is a pretty good return on investment. Unfortunately, I didn't do that. Now I have to track these down pre-loved because I really wanted this. So this one does have a little bit of wear. That is how I was able to get such a good deal. It looks like that there was a little bit of wear on the corners here. I did talk about leather surgeons in another one of my videos, and they should be able to re-dye those corners if I send it into them. I might just leave it for now, just kind of get my own wear out of it. Since it is already worn a little bit, it'll give me a little bit more peace of mind so I don't have to worry about being the one damaging it. A big thing with these bags is people buy them, and I know I'm guilty of it too, and they're just so pretty. We don't want to damage it. We're just going to keep it on a shelf, look at it, make it look pretty. And then a lot of times they just end up getting sold because us as the original purchaser don't want to damage it, don't want to devalue it, so we end up selling it. And then after that, what is the point of purchasing it in the first place if you're just going to resell it again? So luckily, I don't have to be the first one to get these nicks and dings and scratches and everything on it. There's already a couple on the bottom here. The rest of it looks like it's in really good condition though. The actual surface, even the hardware and everything is perfectly fine. It's just these corners that have a little bit of wear showing on them. Now this guy did come with the authenticity card, but no dust bag or box, so that also helped out with the pricing. This one was right around the $3,500 mark, which is about retail price. So yes, I could have gone to the store and paid full retail for one of these, but they don't have the Crumpled Calfskin, which is what I really wanted. I think this, just look at that. I mean, come on, can you blame me? These are so pretty. I love the black, the crumpled. I can't really say enough about this. I think that the combination is stunning, and I can't wait to start using this. This is gonna go with pretty much anything I would have to wear. Even my outfit now, put on some black, because it's such a wonderful neutral. It can be dressed up, it can be dressed down. It's a smaller size, so perfect for a dinner party or even a wedding, or even just day-to-day errands. That's gonna go with everything. Because it's so black, the CC logo kind of blends in, so unless you're really looking at it, it's not going to be like, bam, this is a Chanel bag, look at that. But if you look at it closely, you can definitely tell, yes, this was a little pricey, and the owner is super stylish. So I think all of these factors combined make these Crumpled Calfskin So Black bags mini, medium, even the jumbo size. Perfect for any occasion. I probably wouldn't wear the jumbo to like a wedding, but I would say the medium large all the way down to the mini would be pretty much perfect for any occasion or any event that you would have going on. So this was just a super quick unboxing. Stay tuned because I do have a full collection video coming up very soon. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that way you're notified when that does go live. I have gotten a ton of requests for that. That's probably my most requested video right now. So that is going live soon, so make sure that you keep a lookout for it. If you did like this video and you want to see more unboxings like this, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, thanks for stopping by.